Mommy has a gift for you. Open your gift. Birthday gift na late na. Open your birthday gift na late na.
Because it's not shopping.
Yeah, open.
I don't even have scissors.
Okay na yan. Ito, ano na yan ni Mami.
Oh, that's quick. Look how big this is.
Wow, can you open? How many pieces?
80.
Tingin.
Wait, hold on.
Wow! Gusto niya yan. Request mo yan. What will you say to Mami?
Thank you, Mommy.
Love you so much. Happy birthday ulit.
Thank you, Mommy. Thank you so much.
Love you so much. Mwah.
Mwah.
Happy birthday ulit. Late.
Again, late.
Ano na ayos?
Look at this.
Open mo, open na. Dali. Dali, kinasunog sa'yo ang luto
How
ko.
are you gonna open this?
Hindi.
Look at this, so cute.
Patingin. Wow. Happy ka? Happy ka?
Yeah.
Open mo daw. Yay! Happy ka? Okay. What will you say?
Thank you, Mommy.
Love you.
Love you so much.